Hello friends, welcome to part 1 of HTML series. In part 1 of this series, we will learn how to add HTML headings. Now, HTML heading or HTML hashtag can be defined as a title or a subtitle which you want to display on the web page. When you place the text within the heading tags, it is displayed on the browser in the bold format or size of the text depends upon the number of headings. Now there are 6 different HTML headings which are defined with H1 to H6 tags. H1 is the largest heading tag and H6 is the smallest one. H1 and H2 should be used for the most important while the remaining tags should be used for subheadings and less important text. So let's try it out. So first we will open our Notepad++ and we will save this file as index.html in a new folder called my web page. I have already created this folder on my desktop. You can use some other name also. I will save it as index.html. Okay, now we'll write our code. Okay, then we will take head tag, closing head tag. In head tag, we place our title tag and close the title tag within the head tag. And inside the title tag, we will write the title of our web page. I'm writing HTML page. Okay. Then after head tag starts our body tag. We will write all the content which will be displayed on the web page inside the body tag. Okay. So let's start with heading 1, starting tag and ending tag. Okay. This is my first web page. Okay. We will save this, then run. Let's launch it in Firefox. This is my first web page. You can see the size of the text. Okay, let's take heading 2. I'm just copying it and pasting it and replacing H1 tag with H2 and save all and then refresh my browser. See the difference. Similarly, we can give all the headings and see the difference. We use H3, H4, H5 and one more H6. So replace H1 with H6 and save the changes. Now again refresh your browser. Now see the text size. The size goes on decreasing from H1 to H6. Now one more thing which should be remembered is that heading elements should be used for headings only. They should not be used just to make the text bold or big. There are different tags for that purpose which we will study in our next video where we are going to study about how to add text to your web page. So this was all about this video. I hope you enjoyed this. Please like and subscribe my page. Thank you.